Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to connect domain name to Wix website. So let's get started. The first step you'll have to do is to go into your browser and now search for manage.wix.com, and you will be sent to the sites manage menu. Now select the website you would like to connect to the domain. Now you will be sent over to the sites dashboard. Now on the bottom left hand side, click on settings. Now on the bottom right hand side, you'll see a domains icon. Click on it, and now in here enter the domain name you would like to connect to the website and click on let's go. Now click on yes, I own this domain. Now once you click on continue, now you will need to enter your login details of the website you used to buy the domain, and now click on continue. And now Wix will be authenticating your account, and if it is correct they will link this domain to the website. Now for example, if that doesn't work, click on yes is from Namecheap and now click on start. Now log into Namecheap and go into domain list, and now go back to Wix and click on I found your domain. Now go back to Namecheap and go into name servers. Now you'll see two name servers on Wix. Copy both of them and paste them into Namecheap. Now Wix will be verifying your connection. Now this can take up to 48 hours, and when they are done they will be connected. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.